Assalamualaikum mga kamano. Andito tayo sa may South Mall. Dahil ang Harrods ay sarado, may mga kalaban doon. Andito tayo. Andito tayo sa may Harrods. Tayo South Mall. Yan. Gutom ako. Sarado pa yung mga tindahan ng mga ano. Kita nyo yan. Gusto kong bumili ng tela. May type ka? Oo. Siyempre, bumili tayo dito ng mga uniform 15. 15. Namasahe tayo dito. Ganyan. So, siyempre, kailangan natin kumita. Time check. 11:30. Antayin natin magbukas yung ano. Nagugutom ako. Parang hindi ko gusto yung ano. Siyempre, labahan ko pa yan. Sarado pang tela. Oh, yan sa baba. Inantay ko nga rin eh. Sabi after 30 minutes daw. Oh. Ben. Yeah, Ben. Hindi receipt? Receipt mobile eh.
പണിയെടുത്ത പണി കഴിഞ്ഞ ആഴ്ച ഞാൻ ഒരു 5-10 ദിവസം ചെയ്ത പണിയാണ് ഒന്നും അങ്ങോട്ടും ഇങ്ങോട്ടും ആ പണിയെടുത്ത പണി എങ്ങനെയാണ്
Gusto kong bumili ng tela, kaya lang sarado pa. Baba tayo. Nagbukas na yung ano, yung sa tela. Saan ko nakita yun? Doon yata sa kabila. Doon. Ito. Walang maganda. Wala namang maganda. Brother, wala na stiri na. Ada pi channel, pi...
चैनल पे देखिए वहाँ जोन
Deki da na stereo. Welcome na ada.
70
Ha?
डबल डबल 30
30?
डबल 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 बेडशीट पर मीटर 70 1 मीटर 70
1 meter, 7 real. Yeah. Only that one? That is LB.
LBL
Channel mapi? Can you show me that one? Give me 5 meters.
जोन
That is, how much that one?
70 35
35? There. You cut for me 3 meter. 5 meter I want, huh?
3 and 2
May-
take complete 5 meter
Yeah. No, cut for me 3 meters. That is for bed sheet. And then 2 meter for pillow cover. Is it
4 feet cover
4, huh? Okay.
5 meter stitching or take cloth stitching or
No. I will make. I have my machine.
take 5 meter
Yeah, but you cut for me.
3 on 2
Yeah. Ayan o, nagbukas na.
meter and 2 meter huh?
Yeah. And how about this one? How much per meter? Also 7? Mati 5?
Not good material.
Other before 5 real only 1 meter.
Meter, this one not good material. This
Not
one
good.
sensitive. Anyone's problem. This one not good. Upgrade meters are not good material.
Not good, huh?
Jangan sebal Allah berat. Jangan insyaallah juga deh.
Do you have that? It's already cut? You have already that cut pillow? For pillow?
Hala sugar? 2 meter extra.
Yeah. I don't know how to cut.
Complete size.
Yeah.
Size body cut.
That is I want for my bed. King size.
Inside big
Yeah.
king size. 3 meter last size.
That is the biggest size, huh? Muskila, I don't know how to make cut. Because I,
cut. ده في 15 ريال حبة في 18 ريال
you don't have that already cut?
but not 3 meter 260 but still 260 not 3 meter
Not
not 3 meter complete 260 240
mm. What size that one? King size or
big size 260 240 this one big size
So
this
how
one
much?
big size 3 meter
yeah, that is for my bed. How
30
much?
real 30 real
30?
good teaching
It's already cut the pillow, huh?
pillow ready bedsheet ready
Only khayat. Okay. Which one may be good? This is what size?
single
Single only. Double? Where is double?
this one double
How much that?
30 real
Also?
complete ready 2 pillow easy with 2 pillow easy
2 pillow only. 30. This one is 35.
this one 3 meter bedsheet 4 pillow
Yeah. But this
without
one,
teaching 35
all 35.
35 not teaching cloth only yes sir
The one is this one very cute. How much like this?
ثلاثين سرير نفر حبتين 30 في نفر 36 2 6
واحد اثنين سرير
2 سرير 30 نفر
لا ما غلط الواحد نبغى سريرين اثنين صغير
2 صغير 2 صغير جوز 30 2 صغير جوز 36 2 6
صغير كيف يعني فرق الرعاية
سرير نفر
أربعة اثنين 200 وربع صح؟
200 وربع مع الحياة جاهز 30 وفي 200 وربع مع الحياة
Ito
36
maganda ito. Maganda to.
كله صغير هذا بدي صغير هذا وما تعصب
Brother, that one also how much?
نفس الزاوية
7 reals but also?
6 ريال
So if 2 pillow cover, how many meter?
هذا كرسر والله كرسر 100 طبة 200 حبة نص 30 36 معلش انا بدي اقول والله
Oh, they're very nice this one.
صورة وبعدين ارسلنا صور بعدين ارسل صورة في موجود صورة
Brother, this one 2 pillow cover and
the 260 240
double.
double
Yeah, how much all?
325 teaching
How many meter that double?
6 real
Huh?
6 real this one meter
Per meter, 6 real this one?
this one 6 real this one 7 real
Why not the same?
company difference
What is different?
difference quality this one 7 real this one 6 real meter
It's the same cloth, but the size.
there is quality difference or company difference material difference this one the material
Ah,
So
okay.
this one so cloth difference so
Double width this one.
tinted difference cloth
Double width.
so full complete this one 7 real meter
Yeah. So how many meter that double?
double pencil this one
No, double.
double 3 and half
3.5 only.
30 real
2 pillow and
260 240 bedsheet
okay. This one, give me this one.
cloth cloth or tissue
Cloth only.
only cloth
You cut for me that for the double, huh?
25 real is it without tissue with tissue 30 real this one is another thing.
I'll leave it this one.
This one with tissue 30 real with 2 pillow so
You have already there?
ready 30 real
30 real. This is the size?
same size 260 240
2 pillow.
2 pillow is
The pillow is already cut.
card ready
Okay.
30 real is
Okay. Halas, this
Okay,
one.
thank you.
All 65.
30 or 30 or 60 or take this one
Hmm. I almost put in my pocket. Ayan oh, ang dami ko na palang sinasabi eh. Kita nyo dito, oh, yan. Ito lang ang nagbukas ngayon. All closed. Yan. Okay. Tayo'y magbabayad na.